Dr. Godfrey here with another emotional health hygiene tip. I just want to talk to you and ask you a quick question. As my guy sits behind me, what would you do if a bird landed in your head right now? Would you shake it off? Would you freeze in fear? Would you ask one of your friends to get it out? Hopefully you would do something, right? You would do something. But what would you do about negative thoughts that sit on your mind? I'm asking, do you move those or do you let them sit there and just build nests? I'm asking you right now to ask yourself, what do I really do when negative thoughts come to me? Well, let me give you a quick tool. Start to talk to them. Start to grab them out the air. Start to let them know that you hear and you see, you feel them. Stop pushing them to the side, because eventually you're into a wall. So I ask you to talk to every negative thought that talks to you. At the end of the day, it's you. Control your thoughts. Move them birds. Fly, fly.